A question that we've gotten, and thank you for the question, is what happens if I run out of money mid-trial? What happens if the money that the attorney has in escrow runs out, but we are mid-trial? I think the trial continues. We have never had this happen, and I think if that were to happen, we would finish the case. And I also cannot think of a judge, any judge, that would say, oh, you're out of funds, you're off the case, we don't finish this. And I think even if the attorney says, Judge, I have not been paid for trial, even that is a very difficult reason to get off the case. So I think if the money runs out mid-trial or even before trial, chances are the judge is not going to let the attorney off the case, especially if this has been the main attorney for the case from the jump. And I think in some situations, if there is like a CJA or an 18B program with the court, I think in some situations the attorney may be able to go to the judge and say, Judge, we're out of money. Would the court permit me to finish the case through CJA or 18B? But there's a lot of administrative hurdles that are associated with that. But ultimately, I think if the money runs out mid-trial, the case has to continue on and the attorney's not going to be let off the hook. But ultimately, it depends on the judge, but I can't see the judge letting somebody off the case, especially mid-trial, especially after the jury's been selected.